Dear students, let us begin a new chapter in short stories Old Man at the Bridge, written by Ernest Hemingway. So, first of all, let us try to know about the author Ernest Hemingway. He was born on July 21, 1899 in America. He was a novelist, short story writer and journalist. His economical and understated style had a strong influence on 20th century fiction, while his life of adventure and his public image influenced later generations. Hemingway produced most of his work between the mid 1920s and the mid 1950s. He won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1954. He published seven novels, six short story collections, and two non fiction works. Additional works, including three novels, four short story collections, and three non fiction works, were published posthumously. Posthumously means here in the absence of the narrator when he was no more in the world. So, The Old Man and the Sea is considered classic of American literature. So, all about the story Old Man at the Bridge. The story Old Man at the Bridge is in the form of conversation between a soldier and an old man. The writer takes the ordinary detail and transforms it into a powerful story about the tragedy of war. The old man in the story becomes a symbol of countless means several, civilians means common people who perish in war. Perish means here who destroy. Further, the story Old Man at the Bridge is related through a conversation between a soldier and an old man who had to leave his hometown during the Spanish Civil War. During the war, there was panic and anxiety all around. Everyone was aware of the impending death. Impending means here approaching. An old man with spectacles sat exhausted by the side of a road near a pontoon bridge. Pontoon means here temporary bridge that crossed the river. The soldier got engaged in conversation with the old man. During the conversation, he came to know that the old man was worried about his animals that he had left behind. The old man told the soldier that he had the charge of two goats, a cat, and four pairs of pigeons. He said that a captain had told him to leave the town and the animals because of artillery fire. He had no family, but he expressed concern about what would happen to his animals. He said that the cat would be all right because cats could look after themselves, but he did not know what would happen to his other animals. Dear students, further, the story is the soldier was concerned about the old man's safety, whereas the old man was concerned about his animal's safety. He told the soldier that he was an old man of 76 years old, okay, and had come 12 kilometers. It means he had completed the journey of 12 kilometers on foot and was too tired to walk up the road and catch a ride on a truck to Barcelona. The old man thanked the soldier for his concern for his safety, but he continued to express his concern over the fate of the animals he had left behind. The old man remained obsessed with the thought about the safety of his animals. At the end of the story, the soldier felt pity for the old man and thought there was nothing to do about him. He realized that he could not remove the old man's concern about the safety of his animals. The story reflects the theme of depression and impending death. Further summary of the story is the conversation between a soldier and an old man. So, this is in a part, the same thing is here as we have got to know, but let us try to know it in detail. The story Old Man at the Bridge, as you know, that is related through a conversation between a soldier and an old man who had to leave his hometown during the Spanish Civil War. During the war, there was panic and anxiety all around. Everyone was aware of the pending death. An old man with the spectacles who had walked 12 kilometers from his hometown sat uh, Exhausted by the side of a road near a pontoon bridge that crossed a river, cars, trucks, and men, women, and children were crossing the bridge. Peasants, refugees, and Republican soldiers laden with ammunition and supplies fled the advancing fascist army. The narrator, who said that his mission was to cross the bridge and find out how far the enemy had advanced, did so. He saw the old man sitting beside the bridge when he crossed towards the enemy. He found him still sitting there when he crossed back. He began talking to the old man and came to know that his hometown was San Carlos. He was the last person to leave the town as he was anxious, means worried about his animals. So, dear students, the further summary is related to the narrator and the speaker as well as the listener. There is old man and about his animals. So the narrator asked the old man about his animals. The narrator, who was nervously awaiting the advent of the fascist army and the ensuing battle between the armies, asked the old man about his animals. The old man said that he had charge of two goats, a cat, and four pairs of pigeons. He said that a captain had told him to leave the town and the animals because of artillery fire. He also told the narrator that he had no family. He then expressed concern about what would happen to the animals. He said that the cat would be alright because cats could look after themselves, but he did not know what would happen to the other animals. After that, old man's political views. So the narrator, who was more concerned for the old man's safety than those of the animals, inquired what the old man's politics was. So the old man replied that he had none. He told the narrator that he was an old man of 76 and had come 12 kilometers and was too tired to go further. The narrator told him to walk up the road and catch a ride on a truck to Barcelona. Further story is the old man expresses his thanks to the narrator. The old man thanked him but continued to express his concern over the fate of the animals he had left behind. The narrator reassured him, saying the animals would be fine. The narrator told him that the pigeons would fly away, but the old man continued to worry about the goats. The narrator told him that it was better not to think about them and that he should get up and walk to the trucks and leave the place. He thanked the narrator and got to his feet, swayed from side to side, and then sat down backwards in the dust. He reflected his obsession about the fate of his animals when he remarked that he was only taking care of animals. The narrator felt pity for the old man and remarked that there was nothing to do about him. He thought that the old man's only luck was that cats could look after themselves and that the day was overcast, so the fascists were unable to launch their planes. So here there are some of the words. Pontoon means a temporary floating platform. Staggered means walked with unsteady steps. Plodded means walked slowly. Mysterious, strange. Artillery means heavy guns moved on wheels. Hurrying down, moving down quickly. Blankly means disinterestedly. Cage means a structure made of wires in which animals are kept. Fascist means a person who supports an extreme right wing political system. Ebro means the name of a river over here. Now let us discuss about the theme of this chapter. What is the theme? Now question may be in your examination or test. The story Old Man at the Bridge deals with the themes of resignation, depression, and impending death. The theme is reflected in a conversation between a soldier and an old man who had to leave his hometown during the Spanish Civil War. The old man is gripped by panic and anxiety. He is a fatalistic hero of the story who is resigned to his fate. Fatalistic means the person who believes in his fate or destiny as a casualty of war. When the soldier who is concerned about the safety of the old man tells him to walk up the road and catch a ride on the truck to Barcelona, he tells him that he is an old man of 76 and is too tired to go further, so he resigns himself to his fate. Then the soldier reflects that he is sure to be killed once the fascists advance to the bridge across the Ebro. Ebro is the name of the river. His life is prolonged by the fact that the day is overcast and the fascists cannot launch their planes. His mind is eased by the fact that cats can look after themselves. But aside from that, the soldier says that nothing can be done for him and his death seems certain. Further, the soldier seems more affected by the inevitability of the man's probable fate than by the old man. On the other hand, the old man is worried about the fate of his animals. He can't get rid of the thought of safety of his animals. This gives him depression when the soldier tells him that it is best not to think about his animals. He is unable to stop thinking about them. This leads him to depression. At the close of the story, the narrator bemoans the old man's impending death. It means he also laments on the impending or approaching death of the old man. He asks him to walk and catch a ride on the truck to Barcelona, but the old man expresses his inability to walk due to fatigue. The soldier begins to feel pity for him and says there was nothing to do about him. So, let us talk about the appropriateness of the title. It means Old Man at the Bridge, whether the title is appropriate or not. So, the title of the story, Old Man at the Bridge, is very appropriate because the story revolves around the old man who has left his hometown during the Spanish Civil War and has arrived at the bridge for safety. It is at the bridge that the narrator engages the old man in conversation. The old man expresses his concern about the safety of his animals that he has left behind. He thinks that the cat will be alright, but he is worried about the safety of the other animals. The narrator is worried about the safety of the old man, whereas the old man is worried about the safety of his animals. The narrator asks the old man not to think about his animals and to get up and walk to the trucks and leave that place. But the old man, who has already walked 12 kilometers on foot, expresses his inability to walk due to fatigue. He remains at the bridge. Thus, the story has an apt title. So, dear students, let us talk about the message. It means what is the message or moral of this old man at the bridge named story. In this story, Old Man at the Bridge, the author wants to convey his opposition to war because war spreads panic and anxiety all around. Everyone becomes aware of the impending death. Confusion and chaos prevail everywhere. During the Spanish Civil War, an old man with the spectacles sits exhausted by the side of a road near a pontoon bridge. The soldier gets engaged in conversation with the old man. During the conversation, the soldier comes to know that the old man is worried about the fate of his animals that he had left behind. The soldier is concerned about the safety of the old man, whereas the old man is concerned about the safety of his animals. So he tells the old man to get up and catch a ride on a truck to Barcelona. He wants the old man to save his life, but the old man, who is 76 and has walked 12 kilometers, tells the soldier that he is too tired to walk and catch a ride on a truck. The old man thanks the soldier for his concern for his safety, but he continues to express his concern over the fate of his animals that he had left behind. At the end of the story, the soldier feels pity for the man and thinks there was nothing to do about him. The story reflects that war brings depression, anxiety, and scare of death. So the author expresses his opposition to war. He conveys a message that war should be opposed and avoided. It means war is the not a final uh, solution of anything. So we can discuss also the character sketch. It means so many points you can have. Okay. So, first is the old man, and 76 years old, healthy and physically fit, leaves his hometown due to this Peninsular War, no family but loves his animals, worried about the safety of the animals during war, not worried about his own safety, a fatalist obsessed with the thought of his animal safety, victim of war, reconciles himself with his impending death. So, this is overall we can say that the character sketch of the old man. You can write in your own words. And if we talk about the character sketch of the narrator, so the narrator is here a scout and dutiful soldier, engages himself in conversation with the old man, worried about the safety of the old man during the war, advises the old man to leave the place and save himself, feels pity for the old man, expresses his helplessness to do anything about the old man, bemoans the old man's impending death. So you can write on the basis of these points in your own words. And critical appreciation is written in first form. Metaphor has been used here. Why metaphor has been here? The story abounds in metaphors and symbols. One of symbol is the bridge, which represents uncertainty and dangers. The pigeons symbolize peace and harmony, and the fact that they fly away from the war may be a reference to the refugees who flee from the war to a safer place. The cat is a symbol of independence who does not need anybody to survive, but the goat is often used as sacrificial animal, and this probably represents the old man who reconciles himself with his impending death. Language. The story is narrated in a conversational form and the language used is simple, but several simple words are symbolic in significance. The style is lucid and intelligible. The dialogue between the soldier and the old man takes the story forward. The simple conversation reveals the characteristic traits of the speakers and reflects the theme of the story. So, there are some of the questions, and I will let you know further. Thank you, students.